Hi guys, it's Josh from Wilder Camping again, and in this video we are talking footprint ground sheets. What is a footprint ground sheet and do I need one for my camping trip? Well, my simple answer would be yes. It's a very good idea to get a footprint ground sheet for a few reasons. So example then, say you were going camping on rough terrain or there were any jagged rocks or anything. If you were to pitch your tent on that, the base of your tent, your sewn in or bathtub ground sheet is going to take the brunt force of that and it could tear and then it's open to the elements. If you put a footprint ground sheet down first, it's separate from the tent and it's another layer of protection. So really good reason to have one. Another example then would be wet ground. Say you're going camping and you know that it's been raining and you pitch your tent on that, you're going to get it wet, potentially get it muddy, and it means you've got to dry it off and clean it before you put it back in the bag so you don't get your tent moldy, which is a nightmare. If you have a footprint ground sheet, it's a separate section of material in its own bag. You can take that home, wash it, dry it, put it back in the bag, and it's done. The last example would be insulation. So say you're camping at a cold time of the year, it's February at the moment, say you're camping now or even in the summer and you get that morning dew. Not only is it going to protect you from that layer of like water, but that cold ground, instead of you sleeping against that cold ground, you're going to have another layer underneath you separating you from the ground and it's going to keep you warmer. So a really, really good few reasons why you might want a footprint ground sheet. I have a few in front of me to tents that we sell. This is for the Robins Klondike, this is for the Easy Camp Blizzard 300, and this is for the Vango Stargrow 450. So if you are thinking of buying a tent from us, I highly recommend that you get a footprint ground sheet to go with it. If you look on our website, you'll find all the details and all of the various footprint ground sheets. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.